file. Instead, what I will do, I will just click on add, and I have my CV, my profile that I have attached to it. Okay. Now allow me to go to the next tab. I'll go to search for AI jobs on LinkedIn. Okay. 1,000 plus artificial intelligence jobs are there in India. I'm just considering that I wanted to become AI ML engineer. Accenture is a company where this requirement is seen from. Let it get start. So here you can see AI specialist, research, innovation. Okay. Now your profile and resume match the required qualification as well. So I'm just telling it, taking the about the job. Okay. Okay. Let me just open it completely. I have taken all the things which were there in the job requirement on LinkedIn. I am copying it. Let's go back to the ChatGPT. I have already attached my profile. Let's go back to the ChatGPT. And I would say that paste. After pasting, I'll just give a space and write, update my resume so that I can get selected, or my profile can get selected for the mentioned job. Kindly remove my phone number and email from the CV. Okay. And that's it. I will go click on send prompt. It will take some time. Now you can see this has, to maximize your chances, I would make these changes. It is asking us change the headlines. Here I'm senior corporate technical trainer and GenAI enablement specialist. It is making me AI specialist, generative AI. So it is suggesting me that you rewrite. Okay. But I would say that why would I rewrite when I'm using it? So I am getting this document. If I download it, I am able to see that it is a complete ATS optimized or ATS friendly resume. There are chances, 90%, 95% chances are there that I can get selected. My profile at least will get selected for this job, right? Because it is going to mention all the keywords in your profile, which is actually mentioned in the job description. So what happened that when the team is checking using Control F, whether those keywords which are specially mentioned in the job requirement is mentioned in the resume or not. And since it is mentioned, so the chances are very high to get your resume.